Rheumatoid arthritis, or RA, is a chronic progressive inflammatory disease of the joints and surrounding tissues that is associated with intense pain, irreversible joint destruction, and systemic complications such as fatigue and anemia. Despite the treatment options currently available, as many as 1/3 of people with RA do not achieve remission. Now approved by Health Canada, Actemra, or tocilizumab, offers a new treatment option for people suffering with this condition. Dr. Janet Pope is a rheumatologist with St. Joseph's Health Centre in London, Ontario, and says the approval of Actemra is an exciting development in the treatment of this debilitating disease.
It's a drug that is targeting the receptors so that one of the signals that increases inflammation won't be able to fire or to bind, and in this way we can dampen down inflammation. Many of our patients have a high IL-6 level in their joint fluid, and Actemra can actually stop the IL-6 from signaling inflammation.
Actemra is indicated for reducing signs and symptoms in adult patients with moderately to severely active rheumatoid arthritis who have inadequate response to one or more disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, or DMARDs, and or tumor necrosis factor, or TNF, antagonists. General use of Actemra in DMARD inadequate responder IR patients is not recommended at this time. Physicians may consider the use of Actemra in the DMARD IR population on a case-by-case basis dependent on disease and patient characteristics, experience with the drug, and the benefits and risks of Actemra as compared to other therapeutic options available.
We have really good data there where it can make many people, about 1/3 of patients, even get very close to remission or even right in remission over time. So this is a huge breakthrough, particularly for those patients who have a lot of unmet need.
Toby Trembath was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis at the age of 40 and reflects on how devastating it can be to live with this disease.
It's the basis of your existence. If you can't stand up in the morning and you can't put your pants on, obviously it's going to change your life. My hands, fingers, wrists were really bad. Knees, I had to sleep with a pillow under my knees at night. Shoulders, it became very hard to do common everyday things. After the diagnosis and when I wasn't feeling so well, and things were going downhill. I couldn't even open a jar or use a can opener. So it affected just my day-to-day routine and doing what I love.
Toby has been on Actemra for 4 years through a clinical trial program. He feels invigorated and hopeful for the future again.
It happened so fast, came on so strong, and to be able to, stand up and pick my daughter up, within 2 days, it was quite something. I'm able to go in the backyard and play catch with my daughter and go play soccer. I can do gardening and go for walks with my wife, hiking, walking on the rocks on the beach. Life has pretty much turned back to normal now. It's great to be whole again.
In Canada, RA affects 300,000 individuals, 1 in every 100. Women are affected by RA 3 times more often than men, and while it more commonly appears between the ages of 25 and 50, RA can affect people of all ages, from toddlers to seniors. For more information about treatment options for rheumatoid arthritis, speak with your rheumatologist.